So the stock market, indices, and we're also looking at minings and metals have been on a rampage, and we're starting to see a lot of buying activity. And I believe it's time for you to start. I believe it's time. Let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video, because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty, so let's get straight into it, guys. What I mean by it's time, and something that I've been waiting for quite some time, is what we're looking at here with the stock market. We can see the Dow Jones here, and we've got the S&P 500. But look what's going on through here. All right, we had a big move up, and now we've just been going sideways overall. Got a very, the correction before the election, and now we've got this very nice big move to the upside. So what I'm seeing is, it's that time. And what I mean by that, it's what we're looking at here in the markets is there's a really high probability chance that we are gonna maybe even go for a sideways movement for a while or whatever. But we're gonna see a very nice break to the all-time new highs and a continuation run to the end of the year. You hear what I just said, guys? There's a very high probability chance. Now, there's no certainties in the markets, right? So place your stops, risk management, you name it, right? But looking at the stock market, there's a very good chance that what we're looking at here and what we're seeing, this action is now telling us that even if we do get a little bit of a pullback here or sideways movement, there's a real high probability chance we're going to break up to all-time new highs, and we're going to see an enormous Christmas rally. And in fact, I believe Christmas rally has started early in the indices and also in the miners and also the metals. The mining stocks are just starting to break out. This is the GDXJ. You can see here we're just breaking out of my downward trend now, and we're just starting to break out. We had a little bit of a support through here, and now we're just starting to break out. The GDXJ, as you can see, we had a little bit of what I call a slingshot pattern to the upside, and then now we have this breaking of all-time new highs up here. So we're starting to develop a little bit of a rally. We're starting to break up and out, and as you can see, right, if I draw my good old funky dunky trend lines from there to there, you can see that it never got out of that level, and we never got past this level through here. So we're starting to see this breaking and this movement, and the SILJ as well too. Look at the SILJ. Look what happened with the SILJ. We made a slight higher low, and now we're breaking past previous highs, guys. Christmas rally has started early. I'm telling you right now, this is bullish. And that's why I'm all over this. I'm all over the GDXJ. I'm in a silver mining stock right now. The GOD, I'm in silver, I'm in gold, I'm in all over this. I'm all over this. I've actually bought some really long-term positions for gold and silver as well too. I'm all over this. Look at SILJ just breaking out now with a slight little higher low. Buyers are starting to come back in now. Look at the SIL as well too. SIL, bit of a double bottom, but look what's happening now. Look at this here, nice break above high. Look at this here. This is the first sign that the buyers are starting to come back in. Look at this here, very lower high, double bottom. Now breaking up. Look at this. This is the very first time we're poking our head back up. Guess what's happening? And we're breaking out of this triangle pattern. The buyers are starting to come back in, right? The buyers are starting to come back in now, and and I believe we're starting to see that movement up from there. Looking at gold as well too. Look what gold just did recently, right? Slight higher low, and now we're just breaking up and out of this level through here now. So we're just starting to break above this higher low, breaking up. The buyers are starting to come back in now. After all this time, the buyers are just starting to come back in. And now looking at silver as well too. Look what's happened with silver. This is the low point through here. This is now what? This is a low point through here. And now silver's still right at this resistance level right now. We haven't actually broken past it, but we are starting to see that level through there. So guys, I'm telling you, to me, Christmas rally, it started early. Christmas rally has started early, and just get ready for it. So hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. Very first thing is in the description, I'm giving a free trading course. Just go get the free trading course, guys. You know, when you actually put your name and email address in for the free trading course, on the very next page, I give you the bullseye method, I give you my #1 chart reading technique, I give you a trading system, and then over the next 7 days, I'm going to release and give you more trainings more too. So just go, the very first thing in the description, guys, go get the help you need, and I hope it really helps you out. Talk to you soon, guys.